Virtual networks work by leveraging virtualization technology to create logically isolated and secure networks within a physical network infrastructure. These virtual networks operate independently and allow multiple virtual machines, VMS, or resources to communicate with each other as if they were on a physically separate network. This enables efficient use of network resources, better security, and simplified network management. Here's how a virtual network works and how to create one. How virtual networks work. Hypervisor and virtualization. A hypervisor, virtualization software, is installed on a physical server, which allows multiple virtual machines, VMS, to run on the same physical hardware. Virtual switch. The hypervisor includes a virtual switch that acts as a network bridge between the VMS and the physical network. It facilitates communication between VMS and external networks. Virtual NIC, VNIC. Each VM is assigned a virtual network interface card, VNIC, connected to the virtual switch. The VNIC allows VMS to communicate with each other and the external network. Network isolation. Virtual networks are isolated from each other in the physical network, ensuring that data and traffic are segregated and secure. How to create a virtual network. Install hypervisor. Install the virtualization software, for example, VMware RISC-V, Microsoft Hyper-V, on the physical server or computer. Create virtual switch. To create a virtual switch, access the hypervisor's management interface, specify network adapter properties, and choose internal or external switch type. Create virtual machines. Create the VMS that will be part of the virtual network. Assign each VM of NIC connected to the virtual switch you created earlier. Configure IP addresses. Within each VM's operating system, configure the IP address, subnet masks, default gateways, and DNS settings. Ensure that each VM is on the same subnet to enable communication. Implement security. Configure firewalls and security settings to protect the virtual network from unauthorized access and ensure data privacy. Test connectivity. Power on the VMS and test connectivity between them and the external network. Ensure that they can communicate with each other and access the internet if required. Network isolation. Virtual networks are isolated from each other in the physical network, ensuring that data and traffic are segregated and secure. Network management. Use the virtualization platform's management tools to monitor and manage the virtual network, including network traffic, performance, and resource allocation. Please note that specific steps and terminologies might vary depending on the virtualization platform you use. Always refer to the official documentation of your chosen virtualization software for detailed instructions on creating and managing virtual networks. If you liked this video, please share, comments and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.